Best English practice.
Conversation 1, greeting and weather.
Hi, David. Good to see you again.
Hey, Sarah. Nice to see you too.
The weather is amazing today, isn't it?
Yeah, it's perfect. Not too hot, not too cold.
I love days like this. I feel more alive.
Me too. It makes me want to stay outside all day.
Conversation 2, talking about coffee and drinks.
Are you drinking coffee again?
Yes, just a simple black coffee. You?
I'm having iced vanilla latte. I like sweet drinks.
I've noticed. You always have something sweet.
Guilty. Do you ever drink tea?
Sometimes, but I'm more of a coffee person.
Conversation 3, talking about the day.
How's your day going so far?
Pretty good. I had a quiet morning.
What did you do?
Just made coffee and watched a short video.
That sounds nice. I had to run to work early today.
Oh, really? Busy morning?
Yes. A meeting at 8 a.m. and a late bus.
Oh no. I hate when buses are late.
Same. I almost missed my meeting.
The conversation 4, talking about the weekend.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really. I think I'll relax at home.
That's always a good idea. Rest is important.
Yeah, I might watch a movie or cook something new.
That sounds fun. I'm going to the park with my cousin.
Nice. Hope the weather stays good.
Conversation 5, talking about music.
What kind of music do you like?
Mostly rock and chill music. You?
I listen to a lot of pop and some R&B.
Cool. Do you have a favorite singer?
Maybe Adele. I love her voice.
She's great. I like Coldplay a lot.
Classic. Good choice.
Conversation 6, talking about food.
What did you eat for lunch?
Just a sandwich and soup. Easy stuff.
Sounds healthy. I had noodles. Again.
You love noodles, don't you?
Totally. I could eat them every day.
Can you cook them yourself?
Of course, I have a secret recipe.
Conversation 7, talking about the city.
Do you like living in this city?
Yes, but it's a bit noisy sometimes.
True. The traffic can be crazy.
But there are good cafes and parks.
Yeah, I'm still finding new places. I moved here last year.
Welcome then. I've been here for 5 years.
Conversation 8, talking about learning English.
How did you learn English so well?
I watched a lot of English shows and practiced daily.
I'm still learning. It's not easy.
You're doing great. Just keep speaking.
Thanks. Talking with friends really helps.
Yes, real conversation is the best teacher.
Conversation 9, work and daily life.
Where do you work?
I work from home as a web designer.
That's cool. I work at a beauty salon downtown.
Sounds fun. Do you like it?
Yes, I meet many people and learn new things.
That's a great way to grow.
Conversation 10, saying goodbye naturally.
It was nice chatting with you today.
Yeah, I enjoyed this. Thanks for the coffee talk.
Let's meet again next week.
Sure, same place, same time.
You got it. Have a good day, David.
You too, Sarah. Take care.